Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Moringa powder to double hair growth and stop hair loss. Moringa powder has many benefits that promote healthy hair and is not only great for your hair, but can be taken as a daily supplement to boost your immune system and heal your body. Sometimes we can get frustrated when our hair becomes stagnant, but the good news is there are many ways to reverse damaged hair and in return increase hair stimulation. So if you're struggling to repair your hair, then this video is for you. So let's get started. So first I'm going to start off with the aloe vera plant. I make sure to wash it and then cut off all of the sides, and then you just want to split it down the middle. And then I'm just going to peel all of the gel out and put it into my blender. It really all just depends on the length of your hair, so you can gauge how much you want to actually use. Following up with a half a cup of the moringa powder, then go ahead and pour the aloe vera juice. Make sure that you strain it first. Now I'm going to begin to mix it really well just to get a smooth consistency and really ensure that the powder is properly mixed. If you're struggling a little bit, feel free to add a little bit of water to help the process go faster. Now on to oils. This is totally optional, but if you want to get the best out of this treatment, I definitely recommend it. I'm just going to add a tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil, followed up with another tablespoon of avocado oil, a few pumps of honey, which is my favorite. I definitely recommend the organic one. And then I'm going to follow up with a few drops of tea tree oil, which really helps to stimulate the scalp. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add my favorite conditioner of my choice. The reason being for this is to really make sure that when applying this treatment, I have really smooth application when putting it on my strands. This again is totally optional, but I love the consistency and I love the slip that I get when I apply this on my hair. Keep in mind that you want to have the perfect consistency. I know it's really hard to get that if you're not really sure how to do this, but you want to make sure that it's not too watery and it's not too clumpy. You want to have that even balance. I like to freshly wash my hair before applying any treatment so it can soak in properly. I added some gloves because this can get a bit messy, and I also like to section my hair off just to make sure that I'm focusing on each strand instead of just smacking it on all of my hair. I focus on my roots and I work my way all the way down to my ends and make sure that everything is fully coated. Now I'm just going to twist it up and move on to the next section. Moringa powder is a very powerful herb which comes from the Himalayas in northwestern India. The moringa tree is currently on the rise in Africa, Asia, South America, and throughout the tropics. Iron deficiency has been linked with hair loss, which moringa contains, helping to carry oxygen in the blood all the way to the scalp. With a fresh supply of oxygen, it grows better, including your hair follicles. Moringa also contains high levels of zinc, which is the most effective game changer for your hair. Low levels of zinc have been linked to poor hair growth and even hair loss. With the right amount of zinc, damaged hair follicles can recover more quickly. Moringa also contains vitamin C and E, which are powerful antioxidants. Vitamin C helps to combat damage, while vitamin E can repair the damage that is already done. Moringa is rich in amino acids, which helps to activate dormant hair follicles by enhancing hair growth on bald areas. It also helps to reduce alopecia. It's rich in biotin, which prevents hair loss and helps to enhance hair thickness. Okay guys, so this is how my hair is looking after letting it dry. It literally took 3 days to dry my hair. As you guys should already know, my hair is low porosity, so I can never expect my wash and go to be fully dry on the first day. I just wanted to show you guys and talk to you a little bit more and reiterate how important it is to incorporate deep conditioning treatments to our hair to ensure that it's healthy. Even though it's a process and sometimes it's very tedious, you will see such a difference in your hair if you take the time to make sure it's fully moisturized. I've been using moringa powder for about 2 months now. I'm gonna do another updated video in about 6 months to show you guys the difference. One of the reasons why I chose to go with moringa powder is because it's all natural. It has so many different benefits for our hair, our body, as well as our skin. Moringa powder contains 92 vitamins and 46 antioxidants, so you know this is very powerful. It's going to get the job done. If your current state of your hair is very damaged right now, it's dry, you're not happy where your hair is, I definitely suggest trying the moringa powder mixture at least once a month. As for myself, I've been doing it literally like once a week because I normally deep condition my hair once a week anyway. Since using the moringa powder treatment, My hair has been doing really well. It's really, really soft, and being that I dyed my hair in the past, I have struggled and have seen my hair's, I've seen my hair take a turn for the worse after a couple of months of dyeing my hair. My hair became very dry, it became dull, and my curls weren't as pronounced and defined like they once were. And so instead of taking the easy route out and cutting my hair off, I wanted to just rebuild and restore the health of my hair again. Using this treatment has made such a difference in my hair's texture, my overall health of it. My hair feels more moisturized. Now, our hair cannot properly thrive. It will not grow if it's not moisturized. So it's really important to make sure that we're putting moisture back into our hair all the time, not just once in a while, but all the time, because if you are natural, you understand how dry our hair can actually become. So once I rinsed out the treatment in my hair, I had to shampoo my hair because I noticed some of the particles in the powder was left onto my hair. So be sure to shampoo your hair once it's time to rinse it out. I left the treatment in my hair for about 30 minutes. You can leave it in as long as you'd like, but to me 30 minutes is sufficient. I highly recommend that you do it in the shower because it is very messy, but my hair feels amazing. My hair feels stronger. It's not feeling as fragile as it once was, being that the dye was starting to affect my strands and it was making my hair really, really, really dry, which was causing a little bit of breakage. Moringa powder is so good. If your hair is stagnant, if your hair is breaking, if you have alopecia, if you have thinning in your hair, if your hair is not growing, your hair is just so dry. Like no matter what you do to it, no matter how many products you put in it, your hair is just so dry and you're just over it at this point. Try this treatment and let me know how it works for you. So even after using the treatment and my hair felt super hydrated, as you guys can tell, it's still important to make sure that you incorporate other styling products with moisture. Just because you use a treatment and your hair feels so good after doing it doesn't mean you don't have to put anything in your hair. And I can't stress this enough. It's not really what you put in your hair. It's all about application. So whenever I'm trying to get whenever I go for a wash and go, any type of protective style, I make sure to use a leave-in, an oil, and a cream to ensure that my hair is getting the full moisture that it needs until restyling my hair again. The key to changing your hair is just to be consistent with this regimen. Another key that I would like to put out there is how to preserve your hair properly after using this treatment and moisturizing your hair. Maintain the moisture in your hair. So what I like to do is I always put my hair up into a pineapple, just pull all my hair to the front, wrap it, put it in a loose bun, and put my bonnet on. And literally this style will last me a good week if I'm consistent with wearing my scarf. I know sometimes we can forget, we're tired, we just go to sleep, turn over, and that's it. Pretty much it. If you made it this far in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you tried Moringa powder. Let me know if you use Moringa powder and what you use it for. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias, and if you'd like to see more hair videos like this, feel free to comment down below. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.